Guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I am with another video. So first of all, if you are new here, welcome. So today we are going to be doing shoulder length necklace boho twist. So I don't think I have this here on my page, like especially with the boho twist shoulder length. I don't have this on my page, but we are going to be using it here that I ordered off Amazon, and I think this is my second or third time using this here. It's really good. So the hair is on Amazon. It's a boho curves, and also it's a loose curve. So when you are doing a style like that, you want your hair to be kind of fluffy and you want kind of like a loose curves. So that's what I'm going to be using in this video today. And also she's going to be doing like a 12-inch. Hey guys, so here are a few tips I'm going to leave with you guys today, so just keep watching. But before I start, I'd like to introduce my client. Hey girl, welcome back. I am super excited to have you today. I know you've been with me for the past 2 years, and we are going to be doing something different today for the first time. So normally she always get mid back length, and she get twist or box braid, she get twist or knotless. But today she said she want to try something different, which going to be the shoulder length boho curves, and I am super excited to give her that. And once again, if you are new here, welcome. And if you are new here, welcome. This is a home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. And also I always want to get your feedback. Let me know what you think, or let me know what video you want to see more. About the light, so I don't know what's happening. I don't know what setting I do have my camera on. Whenever I turn the light will go dim, and whenever I turn my back, the light will go, kind of dim. But I still gotta do what I gotta do. But I'm gonna check on my setting, or if you have any idea, leave it down below on my camera setting. And also I'm gonna be using a braiding gel today that I ordered off Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link down below. I've been doing hair for the past 4 years, and this is a gel I always use. I have never changed my gel because the gel do have a leave-in conditioner in it. And also the link gonna be down below. And the braiding hair, I ordered this hair off my vendor. So if you're interested, I can leave a link down below. Just let me know in the comment section. I can give you his information so you can go ahead and order your hair from him. And so the first row we are going to be doing 3 row, and the second row we are going to be doing 4 row. I am super excited. So here are one of the tips when you are doing this shoulder length. So you want to start with like a 10-inch, 12-inch to 14-inch. So we're going to be doing 14 your hair get. So that's a tip I want you to know, because you don't want your hair to be long and short, so you want to keep the length. And also she does not want her hair super full, so for that reason I'm going to be adding 1 boho curves on each braid. The second tip, whenever you're twisting, you always want to keep your hands wet. I always keep my hair wet. Either I have water on my side, or I use the gel, but also make sure you use a water-based gel. So going to be adding a little bit of gel as we go. So I add the gel on her own hair so I can have control over the hair, so I can be able to blend her own hair in the braiding hair. That's the reason why I use gel, and I also use the water on the braiding hair, so it can keep me going. And also I always like to work on my part, even though I'm not super perfect yet. I'm still working on my part every day, all the time. Like, you don't want your client to call you say, hey, I got my part is crooked. You don't want that. So you always have to work on your part. That's one of the two of the main reason. Once again, if you are new here, welcome. And we are on the second row, and I'm just taking my time to braid, and I'm gonna be trying to show you step by step so you can see this is how you add your hair. So I think what I do, I add like 3 braiding hair on her own hair and braid it, because you don't want her hair, once again, you don't want her hair super full. Okay, so we are going to be doing that. You know, yes, just stay to make you watching the video, and